How can your broker be detrimental to your trading? Well, it prevents you from entering into your desired price on a setup you are very familiar with. Come on, COL! Anong nangyari? Every time na lang. This was a very familiar setup. And my desired price should be here. Anything here. Nung nalapalampas ko ito, there was another one here. There's another potential entry there. But instead, wala akong kinita sa'yo. Ano ba? COL. Ngayon, ang bilis-bilis mo. And tingnan mo yung result. Mga sir, mga ma'am. Now I'm back to 70,000. God damn it. Ito yung goal ko ng January. Ngayon, I'm down 70,000 from 94,000. What the heck, COL? What the heck? Well, wala naman dapat akong loss kung hindi ako nag-trade today. But then, matigas ang ulo ko. Well, hindi ko na pwedeng isisi sa COL yun. Pero come on, that messed up really my mood. That messed up really my rhythm. Although that's emotion na, personal thing na yun. Eh, marami na naman magki-cringe dyan. Sasabihin na bakit sinisisi sa broker. Well, tao lang po tayo, mga mga sir. Sayang ito eh. This could have been my redemption trade. Damn. But now, I'm down 3,914. I'm down to 70,000. 3 days in a row. 3 red days in a row. That's a bad sign. Kailangan ng small wins. Small wins. Small wins lang. Just to regain back that confidence. So, I was not able to trade PXP. At the bell, we were looking at 3 stocks. I was looking at Now, PXP, and SSP. But SSP early on, nag-fail na talaga siya sa system ko. So, I was looking at PXP and Now. I was watching Now when it popped out. Kasi PXP, naantay ko pa mag-setup yan. And then, nung nakita ko nag-setup yung PXP, nakita ko na. Nung i-enter ko na siya sa COL ko, ayaw! God damn it! Nag-login din ako sa mobile app nila. Wala rin nangyari. Black screen. Anong nangyari? So hanggang nandito na ata yung price. Ayoko na umabol pag ganyan. Nafo-FOMO ako eh. Ang trading plan ko is to buy somewhere here. But I was not able to buy. And then I was looking at here. Trying to buy it here as well. So wala rin. Naiiwan din ako. Pero syempre, hindsight, sasabihin ninyo, dapat bumili na lang ako somewhere. Pero on the actual trade, hindi mo naman masasabi yan eh. Kaya nga merong price point eh. Kaya nga meron kang desired entry. Para yun ang i-follow mo. Ngayon, kung hindi mo nabili yun, mas lalo mong i-risk yung account mo kung ganun. But then, mas riskier yung mga next move ko. Kailangan ko siguro muna mag-break na tama rin siguro dahil meron tayong 3-day break. So wala tayong trading tomorrow. Nung hindi ko nabili to, I saw Now forming one familiar setup as well. Saan na yun? Here. I bought this candle. Problema, hindi siya nag-materialize, hindi siya tumuloy. Kaya lumabas din ako kaagad dito, 1938. 1936 pala. So I saw 1936. Now I'm down with just this trade. Then kasi eventually based on past experiences, pag nakakita ka ng mga ganito, eto kasi PXP FOMO stocks to eh. I call them FOMO stocks. Bale sila yung mga result ng mga stocks na super stocks na nag-move like now. Nag-move siya ng malaki yung movement niya up. And then yung mga hindi nakasakay na traders, most probably will create FOMO stock, one or two FOMO stocks that will move. Not necessarily na magsisiling siya, but then on this case PXP nagsiling siya. Kahapon ang mga FOMO stocks kahapon was SSP and ION. So, yun, nung nag-move yung PXP, I was expecting na meron pang mag-move na isa or dalawa na stocks. Not necessarily magsisiling. So, yun yung inabangan ko and I saw APX on the day. So, it moved here. Ay, no. What's this? So it making this move. Then inabangan ko siya on the pullback. I bought this one. I bought this candle. Kaso ang problema hindi siya nag-materialize. So I went out na stop out ulit ako sa 67. And then I bought again the breakout at 75. Bumili ako dito sa 75. Now, the problem with this since I know na hindi ito artificially made lang ito. Alam ko kasi na ang recent resistance nito is 1.88 eh. So what I did was ito, 188. Makita nyo lang sa daily. Ang recent resistance is 188. So what I did was, hindi ko na siya inantay, hindi ko na finalo yung aking exit strategy. I just sold it. Not actually 188, I sold it at 186 because nag-fluctuate siya. Umakyat siya ng 193, then nag-fluctuate siya from there to 186 to 185 pa ata. Itong candle na to. So what I did was, I early exit ako sa 186. So kung ano yung na-loss ko dun sa now, nabawi ko rin. So dapat nasa 74 pa rin ako eh. By now. Kaso ang problema, yun nga, nag-overtrade ako today. I had 4 trades. Tsaka ano na rin siguro, naghahanap ako ng revenge. Parang nagre-revenge trade ako dahil nga hindi ako nakapasok sa PXP, which could have been my redemption stock. My redemption trade. So ito, sayang din tong trade na to. Dapat ang labas ko dito nasa 190 something, 198 ganun, or 2. Dapat. But then again, I knew kasi na it's artificially made, kaya hindi na ako nagkipagsapalaran. Lumabas na lang ako ng maaga. Then I saw BRN move. I thought this would be the second stock like yesterday kasi di ba meron tayong SSP and then meron tayong ION. Although yung SSP it was above eh. Nagsiling pa yun kahapon eh. Then now I saw BRN. I saw BRN move. Sa 1 minute na ako kasi I was planning to milk this until 1.10, 1.13 lang dapat to eh. So I entered here 1.07 this stock, this breakout. And then wala nangyari. Bumalik siya. I got stopped out at 104. I think 104 or 103. 103. Got stopped out at 103. So, I lost sa now I regained it with APX, and then I gave it away back. I gave it back to BRN. At a day na sana kumita ako ng malaki kay PXP. That could have been a better story. A better story. Ganda sanang trade series ito ngayon kung sakaling nangyari yun. But then again, well, it's all in the execution. But partly, like I said, it was a familiar setup. I've milked that setup. I can even count now how many times. But then it was partly made. It was partly a fault of the broker, of this broker. COL Financial, ano ba nangyayari? Wala na bang pag-asa talaga to? Di ba dati-dati pa to eh. Although sa now that, remember now, nung last na update ko, hindi rin ako nakabili dahil din sa lag nito. Pero ito masyado na atang dumadalas. Kailangan na ata ng bagong broker. Wala bang ano? Wala kayang pwedeng association or what? Or SEC? Pwede ba siguro na dapat mag-held liable sa mga ganito? Although siguro ang magiging defense ng COL is they were not made for day traders. The system was not made for day traders but for what? Investment holders, investors, na hindi naman very active. I don't know. But this is such ridiculous. I mean, come on. Although marami magsasabi dyan na I should have treated it differently kasi alam ko na maglalag and all. But then again, di ko kasi ni-expect na ganun eh. Tsaka masyadong matagal yung lag niya. Ilang candles na ang napalipas bago pa siya gumana. And ang problema kapag ganun, gaya dun sa now, yung na-experience ko sa now, lately lang, nag-post ka at this price, even, for example, ipa-price mo siya, nandito pa lang yung candle mo, dito pa lang yung candle mo, ipa-price mo above, kahit nasabihin nating 10. Pag-execute nun, hindi pa mag-execute ka agad yun eh. May delay. Kung nasaan na yung price nun at that time, yun na yung magiging price niya. So, yung nag-expect ka na somewhere here lang, dapat, yung pupuntahan ng price mo, pagpasok niya dun sa port mo, nandito na yung price. So, masyadong mataas. Hindi pwede yung ganun. Wala na sa trading plan yun. Masyadong mataas. Masyado na rin yung risk. Mas tataas pa yung risk mo kapag ganun. Oh well. Charge to experience? Yes, siguro. I don't know. Kasi I saw some who were able to execute naman kahit na naglalag. Although, sa ano yun? Sa bounce. Sa bounce ni now. This one was also a good setup eh. I should have, well, yun naman siguro. Pero this one, matagal ko kasing hindi nakita tong setup na to eh. Although I've traded couple of times a setup like this. Pero although hindi yung ganitong move, masyado malaki tong move na to. This was an 80% move. Masyado malaki. Ang expectation lang dito is around here. Yeah. Tapos may circuit breaker pala ang PSE. Hindi ako familiar doon ah. Meron pala siya. So nag-stop pala yung price dito nung pinapanood ko. And then went back. Well, yun nga. Naging unfamiliar. Hindi naman sa familiar yung setup. At I was not able to execute it kasi hindi ko naman masyadong ginagamit. Kasi sa bounce play, medyo mahina tayo sa ganyan. Pero kapag ganitong setup, kailangan ko pang i-dig dun sa notebook ko yung setup na to kanina. Para lang ma-refresh sa aking memory. Then again, 2 possible big trades na nawala. Although ito naman hindi naman natin in-execute. Pero ito, this was one trade that got away. OTTGA. One trade that got away. This is a very familiar setup for me. I was not able to execute it. Bawi tayo next week. Bawi. Tayo magagawa. Yan talaga. So I am now up, 11,000? Oh, 7,000. damn. Nakasama ata itong chart na to ah. Now my average PNL is negative 196. I'm losing money. God damn it. Imagine kung na-trade ko yung PXP. Yun na nga. Huwag na nga. Happy weekend guys. Thank you sa so this was my first week of trade vlogs, trade serye. Sana walang magsawa sa inyo. This is as real as you can get na nangyayari. Ang dami nag-party sa now. Pero ako, nga ako this week. I'm minus 11,000 for this week. I'm now down 23,000 for the month. Saan ba? What's that? Yun. I'm down 23,000 for the month. So, maraming masasaya. Nakikita naman natin yun. Maraming masasaya. Pero parang bihira ata ako makakita ng nalulungkot na gaya ko. Or outlier lang ba ako? But yeah. So, this is real life. This is real serye. This is real trade serye. So, hopefully, anong hopefully? Ano ba yung hopefully na sasabihin ko? Hopefully mag-bounce tayo next week. Hopefully putik. Tsaka naman COL, come on mga COL guys. Ayusin nyo naman ang ating system. Let's naman oh. Bye.